guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. So guys, today I'm here with a new vlog, right? So behind me guys, as you can see, okay, this is the authentic cheapest breakfast that you can get here on the street of Kolkata, right? So I'm gonna explore this place and show you the type of food that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? And guys, if you're watching this vlog for the first time, you know what to do. Subscribe. So let's go and explore this place. Let's go guys. Right guys, so here we are, right? I'm on top of a busy road here, right? This is a chaotic busy road that you can see in the street of you can see here in Kolkata, right? This is a busy street here and the shop is right over there, right? So let me just go and talk to the people here and explore and show you the type of street and the cheapest street breakfast that you can get here on the street of Kolkata, right? Now look guys, so basically this is like it's called the puri. It's a flat bread, right? And they fry that in hot oil, right? And they serve you that with this curry that they made from before, right? Look guys, and that's for 20 rupees, right? Hello dada. Okay, so this brother is the owner of this place, right? So apni how are you?
I'm fine.
Right. Shake hand. Thank you. Okay. Cool. So guys, he's fine. So dada, apni ekhane ki দেন?
আমাদের এখানে আইটেমগুলো বলতে হচ্ছে তো আমাদের
Okay. Yes. You have to show. So guys, he's gonna tell you the items that he sells here in the street of Kolkata, right? Probably the cheapest breakfast that you can get, and the snacks that you get. Okay. So dada, what is this?
What is it? The malpua.
This malpua. This is malpua.
This is laddu.
This is laddu. This one.
Yes, sor bhaja.
This is sor bhaja. Okay.
This is the goja.
Okay, and guys, this one is called the goja, and this one balsai. And this one, dada?
The one is the omriti.
Okay, guys, the name for this is Amriti. And of course, I believe what is this? This is samosa. In Bengali, you call this singara.
Thank you.
Right, and this one?
Khasta kachori.
This is called the khasta kachori, right? Right. And this is puri, right, brother?
Remember that? Yes. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Famous puri, 420 rupiah. Calcutta famous kachori dal puri dokan near the Prachi cinema.
Okay, cool.
And near the beside the M Bazaar.
M Bazaar. Okay, brother.
Opposite, yes, 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Okay.
Opposite NLS hospital.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, give you 4 pieces of that, flat bread is called the puri here in the street of Kolkata, right? With this curry here, right? It's only for 20 rupees. It's only for 20 rupees. So look guys. Okay, it's fine. So guys, this is laddu, right? It's called laddu, right? And I forgot the name for this, and yeah. Look guys, this is all authentic, Bengali street breakfast that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? So if you tried any of the street food that I just showed you, you let me know in the comments. So this is the typical authentic Bengali street food, the cheapest probably you can get here on the street of Kolkata, right guys? So yeah, so I was telling you, right? They give you this puri. It's called the puri, right? It's called the puri, and they serve you 4 pieces of this puri with this curry here, right? With this curry here, it's only for 20 rupees. Right guys, so that was it, me trying to show you the cheapest breakfast that you get here on the street of Kolkata, right? And I believe you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Subscribe guys. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories. Love, peace. Bye bye guys.